The 2026 BMW M3 exemplifies the continued evolution of the brand's performance philosophy, embodying the perfect balance between technological advancement and driving purity. At its core, the 2026 cubic meters offers a unique dual powertrain configuration, catering to both traditional performance enthusiasts and those seeking more sustainable driving options. The inclusion of both combustion and electric powertrains reflects BMW's strategic shift toward sustainability without compromising on the iconic performance characteristics of the M series. This evolution aligns with the growing trend of electrification in the automotive industry, showcasing BMW's commitment to meeting modern demands while retaining the visceral driving experience for which the M3 is renowned. From an aesthetic standpoint, the 2026 M3's design is expected to blend functionality with dynamic appeal. The exterior will likely incorporate sharper lines and more aggressive aerodynamics, optimizing both performance and visual impact. These changes reflect the brand's focus on efficiency and sportiness, providing a clear signal of the vehicle's purpose as a high-performance sedan. Inside, the M3 will feature a meticulously crafted cabin, where luxury and advanced technology converge. In terms of performance, the 2026 BMW M3 is expected to further solidify its reputation as a benchmark for the segment. Whether equipped with a traditional internal combustion engine or an electric variant, the M3 will undoubtedly offer exhilarating acceleration, precise handling, and exceptional braking capabilities. The inclusion of advanced suspension systems and a focus on lightweight construction will allow the M3 to maintain its agility and cornering prowess, which are central to the M3's legendary appeal. Overall, the 2026 cubic meters promises to uphold the legacy of its predecessors while pushing the boundaries of what a performance sedan can achieve.